a knotted headband without any ribbons to close the edge here, which make this headband very comfortable. Stay tuned! Hello crafters! Welcome to Anjurisa's crafting room. My name is Trisa, but you can call me Risa. In this video, I will show you how to make a knotted headband. This is actually almost the same as my previous videos right here, but I make it easier this time. So let's go ahead and get started. First, let's choose your own headband. You can use any size for the headband, any width, any length, but the most important is we have to measure the length of headband. So out of these 4 headbands, you can choose whether it's toothless headband or even with teeth. I will choose these black colors. So let's see, the width of this is about 2 centimeters. And the most important is to measure the length of the headband from the edge to the edge. So mine is about 40 centimeters because this will determine the size of our fabric. Next, let's prepare the fabric. You can use cotton fabric, plain cotton, a printed cotton, bullet fabric, or even pleated fabric. This is very pretty. If you wish to make this headband with 2 tones, 2 different colors, I will upload this tutorial next week or even 2 more weeks. If you don't want to miss any update, you can subscribe to my channel and then turn on the notification. Okay, let's put this aside, or should I place it here? Now, I am using knit fabric to make this headband, but literally you can use any fabric. People here always refer this fabric as waffle fabric because the texture is exactly like a waffle. The size of this fabric is about the size of our headband length plus 14 centimeters. So my headband length is about 40 centimeters plus 14, it's 54 centimeters length. And the width is about 15 centimeters. You can always modify the size. And let's fold the fabric in half. We are going to sew this part and leave an opening right in the center to let us turn the fabric. So to make it easy, I will always fold my fabric in half. And I will mark the exact center here. So this is where I will place the opening. I will leave an opening. Just sew a straight line. So this is the center. I will leave an opening, do a back stitch. Leave an opening wide enough for us to turn the fabric right side out. And continue sewing. Now place the seam here right in the middle. And take our ruler and marker. This is fabric marker. I will measure 7 centimeters on all edges. Then take our headband and then mark here and here. Do it once again, mark here. Now connect the dots. After this, we are going to finish the edge here. I will show it to the camera to have a closer look. Sew it right on the marker. Now just cut out the shape. Let us turn the fabric right side out. Now we have to tie the fabric to the headband. If you are using a headband with teeth, you can tie it directly to the headband. But if you want to make this headband and fully covered by fabric, then you can prepare another fabric slightly larger than our headband so we can cover the headband nicely. Prepare a hot glue gun and we are going to attach the fabric on the headband. Make sure that the fabric is slightly larger than our headband. And if you are using a printed pattern or any fabric, make sure that the right side is facing outside. So let's attach the glue. I will cut a little here. Make sure that the fabric is slightly larger than our headband. Now I will cut every 2.5 centimeters or every inch all around the headband. Attach some glue, fold the fabric. So we have the headband fully covered by fabric. Now let us take this and put it on the center. Now you can tie a knot. Adjust the knot. Now, if you are following my size, that the fabric size should be headband length plus 14 centimeters, it will fit perfectly. Now you can attach some glue on the headband and make sure that you are covering the center of the fabric here. And repeat on the other ends. And cover the center of the fabric. And that's it. Our beautiful knotted headband is finished. Thanks for watching this video. If you find this tutorial useful, please give me a like and share this video. If you don't, it's not a problem. Just hit the dislike button and tell me below about what you don't like. If you have any requests, you can also write in the comment. See you in my next video. Bye bye! A knotted headband without any ribbons at the ends, it makes this